we finally got the diffuser on. We could go to the muffler shop in like 20 or 30 minutes, so I'll see you guys there. I gotta give a shout out to Sockos, the guy who installed my diffuser. Here's Alec Monopoly's new RP Smick a couple days ago. I was getting some Instagram pics for the gram. Looks really sick with the Camaro. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll do more stuff like this. And let's get to 10 likes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video.